You guys don't get this. Share it.
Come on.
Gotta take some video for Nana Becky. Oh yeah, get your bucket. Okay.
Almost Spider Monster Inc. guy. Buddy, look, there's spider
It's tied in his legs. Or those really his legs?
Pants. What in the world?
Oh,
Glow
scary.
stick things.
Spider web.
Funny.
Interesting.
But they made those at school. Who's up there, Charlie? Remember what you're gonna say.
Wow, this is so scary out here.
Whoa, hey, buddy, did you see this guy? Look at this guy right here. Look at that. Look at his face. Let's ring the doorbell. And then what do you say when she answers the door?
You gotta step back.
Stand back so she can open the door.
Trick or treat, please!
Oh, nice. I love your hat.
Can you say thank you?
I'm so sorry.
Thank. Tell her thank you.
Did you show her your muscles, Charlie?
Oh my